Hi, welcome to the Real Education. In this video, I will talk to you about how to use Cash App under 18. If you are under 18, how you can use your Cash application in the legal way and how you can get your card with your name. If you are interested to use Cash application under 18, then please watch this video till end. So without wasting more time, let's jump to the video. Thanks for stay tuned. I have an announcement for you. Our channel is doing a giveaway of TP-Link Wi-Fi wireless router. You can also win this giveaway by following these steps. Step number 1, you have to like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Step number 2, give your feedback in the comment section. And step number 3, watch this video till end. Without wasting more time, let's come to the point. So how we can use our Cash application under 18? First of all, if you have an Android phone, then go to the Play Store, and if you have an iPhone, then go to the App Store and search there Cash App. Download this application and install this application. When we go for registration process, they will ask our SSN number, mean your social security number, and also they will ask your DOB, your date of birthday, and also your identity number. So if you are don't want to reveal your identity, you can use this application by use this my method to use this application under 18 with a legal way. First of all, ask to your parents for their social security number and take a permission from your parents to use this application with their name. So if your parents did not allow, then you can also ask your sister, your brother if they are above 18, and if they are not above 18, then you can ask your grandparents, your grandmother, and also your grandfather. If they allow to use this application with their documents, then you can use their documents to register. When I was 16, I used my grandmother's social security number and take a permission from them. If your parents, your grandparents don't allow to use this application, then please don't use it. But if they allow and they give your permission to use their social security number, then you can use it by a legal way. I asked my grandmother to give their social security number, and I use this social security number for registration and complete all process. If when you are registered, they will ask your DOB, your date of birthday, then please make sure you enter DOB with the same SSN number. If you are entering your grandmother SSN number, then please enter DOB of your grandmother. And the most important thing, if you get your card, if you book your card, then you will get the card with their names. You can also change the name of your grandparents. You can also use your own name to this card. When you are booking, then there is an option of name. Please, if you use yourself name on the card, then there is no problem with the identity. They will never ask for identity. You have to use only documents for registration. When you book your card, you just enter your own name and you will get your card with your own name. If there is any problem with the card, you can tell me in the comment section. And I hope that this video is really helpful for you. Please, if this video is really helpful for you, please hit the like button and don't forget to participate in this giveaway. Thanks for watching this video. जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम।